Okay, well, next thing we're going to do is some fault finding. Now, when I've got a circuit like this set up, when I've got a simple circuit with 2 wires, 1 power pack and 1 working bulb, I can use this to check other components and see if they're okay. Now, I've got some suspicions that this bulb might not work. But I don't know, because in a circuit it could be one of several things that are broken. So what I can do is I can swap these over. Now, I know that this wire is good. I also know that this wire is good. Now, if there's a problem with the circuit, it's definitely going to be to do with the bulb. And as you can see, that isn't lit up at the moment. Now, one basic thing to check with bulbs is, are they screwed in tightly? So I'm just going to, yeah, this one's a bit loose. I'm just going to adjust it. Oh, okay, but it's still not working. Now, I know that this wire's good. I know that this wire's good. But it must be that this bulb is broken. If I'm not certain, I can show you that again with the other bulb. So this was the first one we did. See, all these 3 components are working. So that's called fault finding. What you do is you start with one simple circuit that's working, and you try swapping in some other things. Now I'm going to show you that with a wire. Let's say I've got some suspicions that this wire here, this red wire, is broken. I'm going to unplug this green one here. I know that that works. I know that this bulb works. I know that this green wire works. If I plug this in and it works, it shows that the red wire is working. If I plug this in and it doesn't light up, it's definitely the red wire. Okay? You see it's a light. I've just shown that this wire is good. There's no problem with this particular wire. And I can try that for all different things in the circuit. Now, what you mustn't do is basically say, right, that person's bulb works, so I'm going to steal their bulb. Now, the whole point is to check the stuff that you've got that isn't working, and then perhaps your teacher will say, pass it to one side. Your teacher might check that at the end of the lesson. But as I said before, because students may fiddle with equipment, they put the things up too high, the bulbs burn out, we can check them and see whether they're still working.